So today we have a Lash and Brow Lift and Tint 4-in-1. In the box you have eye gel pads, you have spoolies, and perming solution. You also get a little packet with gloves and the instruction manual. This will actually help you a lot when you're doing the eyelashes and the brow tint. It also comes with the black tint and the developer. These will come in handy for when you're ready to start tinting, and it comes with this little spoon to mix those in. Now in the lash kit, it comes with a little box, comes with all the gel pads, the little brushes that you're going to be using to comb the lashes up. It comes with about 5 to 8 of these combs, and then it comes with 10 of the patches to comb the lashes on. Next, you're going to get some tape in case you need some to tape down the eyelids. You're going to get the glue and a bunch of more spoolies and little tools you're going to be using for the tinting and perming. And then for the perming, it comes with the perming, the setting, and the essence. I had already placed the patches under her eyes. I then put the silicone pads on them, and then I started combing her lashes up with the perming solution. I ended up tinting them next, and then that's the final result.